Matplotlib examples. Meron tayo dito sa section navigation, lines, bars, and markers. Merong bar color demo, bar level demo, stocked bar chart, group bar chart with levels, horizontal bar chart, broken bar, cap style, plotting categorical variables, plotting the coherence of two signals, cross-spectral density, CSD, curve with error, band, error bar limit, selection, error bar subsampling, event collection demo, event plot demo, filled polygon, fill between and alpha, filling the area between lines, fill between demo, hatch filled histograms, bar chart with gradients, hot graph, discrete distribution as horizontal bar chart, join style, customizing dash line styles, lines with a ticked path effect, line styles, marker reference, mark every demo, plotting mask and non-values, multicolored lines, mapping marker properties to multivariate data. The title of the mapping marker throwing success. Power spectral density, PSD. Ito yung code. Ito yung illustration. Time, signal, frequency, power spectral density. May zero padding, block size, overlap, frequency divided into 3, periodogram, Welch, scatter demo, volume and percent change, demo of scatter plot with varying marker colors and sizes. Iba't iba yung color, tapos yung laki ng bawat plots or yung markers. Scatter plot with histograms naman. Yan, sa sides. Defining the axis positions using inset axis. Scatter masked. Mask some data points and add a line demarking mask regions. Illustration. You can also download it. Stock plots and steam graphs. May legend, naka-legend, yung Oceania, Europe, Asia, Americas, Africa. Depicting world population. Different colors din. Katabi ay stairs demo. Code. Step histograms. Legend, simple histogram, modified baseline, no edges. Field histogram with automatic edges, hatch histogram with horizontal orientation. Step patch artist, patch derived underlying object with default edge face color behavior. And the codes. Step versus stairs. Parang hagdan yung pagkakaplot niya sa illustration or sa graph na ito. Go back. After ng stairs demo, meron tayong stem plot. Stem plot. Itsura ng stem plot. Plots vertical lines from a baseline to the y-coordinate and places a marker at the tip. Ayun yung marker sa pinaka tip nila. Stem plot. Step demo. Bukod pa sa stairs demo. Parameter, where tinidefine isa-isa yung parameter. Aside sa parameter or sa step demo, creating a timeline with lines, dates, and text. Ito yung pinaka-codes. Then, ito yung matplot lib release dates. May mga dates tapos may mga versions. Yung mga dates niya nandito sa pinaka-ibaba na naka-plots. Naka-reiterate din, naka-depict. And when we go back, makikita nyo yung H lines and V lines. Nakalagay dito na may, ibig sabihin ng V lines, vertical lines demo. Ito siya. Tapos yung horizontal lines demo. Naka-showcase yan. H lines and V lines. Yung time nasa baba. Tapos yung pinaka-numbering nasa gilid din. Tapos ito yung mga pinaka-codes. Ayan. Kapag bumalik tayo, tinig yung last but not the least sa graph na ito, cross and autocorrelation. Yan. Merong cross correlation, tas autocorrelation. Naka-shortcut siya, ginawa siyang X, CORR for cross correlation, A for autocorrelation, ACORR. Ayan. Kasi yun yung codes nito. Cross correlation, ito yung illustration. Tapos yung pangalawang illustration, yun yung autocorrelation. Yung codes na pwede nating ma-download or ito yung references na makikita natin yung functions, methods, classes, and modules. When we go back, tapos na tayo sa pagkakasunod-sunod ng lines, bars, and markers. Dito naman, iba yung images, contours, and fields. Merong dito, offline, pag inano natin, pinindot, offline transform of an image. Yung itsura or illustration. Wind barbs, demonstration of wind barb plots. Merong mga identical plots na makikita sa figure. Meron din namang naka-mask or missing sa ibang plots. Barcode. Itong demo na to, nag-propose siya ng barcode. Kapag ito yung kinode natin, lalabas na illustration, barcode. Example, interactive adjustment of color map range. Rainbow color. Or hindi rainbow, yung ibang color lang. Pan on the color bar to shift the color mapping. Zoom on the color bar to scale on the color mapping. And interactive color bar, yung codes. Color map normalizations. Color map normalizations. Gradient style ang kulay din. Ayan. Color map normalizations, seam log norm. Codes, seam log, illustration. Naka-reiterate yung total running time of the script. 0 minutes, 2.942 seconds. Nakalagay. Contour corner mask. Mask contour plots. Controlled daw ito ng ganitong parameter. Yan. Yung file. Contour demo. Simplest default with labels. Lines with color bar. Contour image.